Okay, so I'm just going to pop down to the allotment today. Quite a windy night last night. Just want to make sure that everything's still standing. Got a couple of little DIY jobs to do as well. I've got to sort out my P-frame. Where I took the netting off, it sort of collapsed a little bit, and where it's screwed to the side bit of wood, it's sort of leaning over and the wood's come apart, so I've just got to take those bits off. I'm going to see what else, if there's anything that needs picking down there. I know there's some squashes that need picking, so I'm just going to have a quick little look round today. Haven't got much time, so I've got shopping to do, and then I've got some friends coming around later, so I'm only going to be popping down for half an hour. So I'll catch up with you when I get down there and see what state it's in. Hopefully it's alright. So I'm down the allotment now. I can see a few little bits that have gone with the wind. Hey, gone with the wind. Yeah, the sweet corns have had it, they need pulling up. This is going a little bit wobbly, but hopefully that will stay. This is what I need to get rid of, because look, it's pulled the wood out, literally, and it's bending it. So I need to take these off, because it's damaging this piece of wood. So that's my first job. So got my drill. Hopefully I'll be able to get that off. If not, husband will have to do it. So I'm just going to undo these screws. Hopefully they'll come out easy enough. One. I only thought there was 2 in each, but there's 4. Maybe I'll have to sort something out different for next year. Get a bit of wood to tie them together. Let's just undo that. Right, that's one. Oh, must still be another screw in there. Oh yeah, there is. In the middle. Well, I can't do it on you. I need a bit of force behind that, because it's falling up. I ain't got... Is it off? Yeah. Right, just lay it down. That's it. That's it. Then at least when I can come down, I can take it apart. Yeah, that's fine. Right, that's that one little job done. I'm just going to see if I can get a couple of squashes. They should be ripe now. let's go and have a look. So, look at the size of that one. Look. These are pumpkins, which are funny shaped pumpkins. Well, they're not quite ready yet, they're still a bit pale. But they're going to be huge, those squashes. These pumpkins are funny shape, they really are. Right. Which I didn't bring my knife, so I need to go and grab my knife or some cutters because I can't pull this off. No, it's too prickly. I do like to weigh them when I get home. That's a big one. How you can tell when they're ripe, there's no green marks from the stalk down, so you know that's right, and you tap it, it sounds hollow. So that's a nice one. Let's pop that in the bag, without dropping it. It's very windy. Right, there's another one there. Another one there. That's right. Oh, lost me a bite. Right. They're not quite ready yet because they're still a bit yellowy. That one's a bit yellowy. Oh, this is a long one. That one's still a bit yellowy. Oh, this is a really long one. Get the soil dry. Look here, look, they're still forming little ones. I thought they would have all finished by now. There. Well, whether it'll grow into anything is another thing though, this time of year, but we can see. Alright, there's one more I'm going to pick. Down there. Oops. And that's just a dinky little one, that one. Oh, I'm stuck. Tomatoes that are starting to ripe, so I'm going to just pick them. I can ripen them at home on my windowsill. I'm going to leave the other ones though, because they're a bit too green still. So I've still got loads of carrots to pull up. Right, I think there's some tomatoes here. Yep. Oh, that one's mank. Oh, that one's no good. It's starting to rot. Got one in here. That one looks alright. It's a beef tomato. Funny shape, but edible. Can't see any more red ones. Oh, there's a tiny little red one there. I think there's some over this side. Yep. They're only tiny little beef ones, but I Don't think they're going to get much bigger now. Right, that's it. That's the tomatoes. That one's no good one, as I say. I've got beetroot there. It's coming up. There, a couple of beetroots. But I'll get them another day. Right, so I need to spend a good day down here. Oh my lord! Look! Turn round, look! The broccolis. They're good heads on them, look! Cool, I think they're the best ones I've had, apart from the one at home. Yeah, I've done well. I don't think I've got anything else coming through. These are weeds. Well, no, they are. They were lettuces, but I need to dig them up. Can't remember what these are. I think these were cauliflowers, but whether they'll do anything now, I don't know. So, right. Let's have a look, see if there's any runner beans. Yeah, this needs coming down now. Yeah. Oh, there's a big one. That's a big one. Just have a quick look. Yeah, disappointed with the runner beans this year. Something was eating them. Big one there. Oh, I might get a dinner out of them. Yeah, they're going to be hard. Right, that'll do for them. Right, well, I've done the main job I wanted to get done, was take them down. I just need to find a screw for that so I can repair this. They're going to be in the shed, so let's go and find one. Well, let's put that in that bag. Let's tie that up. Stick it in my bag. My little goodie bag. I've got a few peppers here that are big enough, so before the insect get to them and eat them. Now I've got a few chillies coming on here. I think that's a chilli. These are called Anaheim. Oh, that one's just fallen off. And they're getting to the point now where they're just literally falling off. These ones, I'm not quite sure what these are. I thought these were jalapenos, but they don't look very much like a jalapeno to me. They're peppers. Oh, there's no more peppers on there, only tiny ones. I'll pick a couple of little ones, see what they're like. Could be alright. I might just leave them for a little while longer. Alright, that's that side. I've got more over here. The peppers have done well this year. Inside my greenhouse at home and outside. I'll have to show you the greenhouse because they're different colours in there at home. Got a look at the size of this chilli. Look at that one. That's a big one. They will eventually go red if I left them, because some of them at home have gone red, but these are quite big, so I want to pick them before they get... Oh Lord, they are huge. Oh Lord. Right. Oh blimey, another... Oh, look at the size of that pepper. That's a huge... Oh, lost the bag. Yeah, look, these are huge. These peppers. Right, they're tiny. They're quite tiny. Oh my God, look at the size of these. Can't believe how big these are. I think that'd be enough for a minute, because I'm running out of space. Oh, these are huge. But I'll leave them ones for a minute and just get the real big ones. Whew, back. I'll leave them ones for now. I think I've got enough there. I've got a bit of lettuce. A couple of bits of lettuce in here. Oh, is that another big one there? Oh, I'll leave that one for now. Right. Let's have a look at this lettuce. I might need a bigger bag. Come on. Oh, I need a bigger bag. It's not working. Let me go and get a bigger bag. There's a bit of lettuce there. Oh, flimming wind. Right, let's see what else I can pick. Because it's getting to the end now. Oh, there's a few peppers there and chillies. Alright, let's just go and check those tomatoes over there and see if I've got any courgettes. Luckily enough, there's nothing on that one. Only a tiny, tiny little one. But on here, oh my lord, I've got another humongous one. It's more like a marrow. But yeah. Alright, these ferns need to die down because this is my asparagus and they have to die down before you can get rid of them. Yeah, they have to go like this because that one's come out, so, and they form red berries or something, and they're supposed to be new well, I've read they're new asparagus bits, but I don't know. Anyway, I'll leave that there for now. Right, I think that's it for now. And so it needs a good clear up. So that's it for today. Got a few bits of produce, more than I expected to get, but get it while the weather's dry. I won't be able to come down tomorrow because I've got a wedding to go to. So hopefully I'll be back Wednesday if the weather permits. So to try and sort out a lot more of the weeds and get ready, prepared for autumn and winter. Get things covered over, pulled up and ready for, as I say, the winter. I'll have to come back for my squashes because my hands are, this is quite heavy, so I'll come back for my bag of squashes. Alright. Oh, I forgot to pick those little tomatoes over there, but they'll be alright. Alright, let's go and put these in the bag, in the car. Now I've just got to change my wellies. Put my shoes back on. Okay, so I've still got a couple of little repair jobs to do, but at least everything more or less is still standing. My brassica cage at least is still standing upright, and my beam frame. Yeah, so quite happy all in all. So hope you keep watching, and hope you watch when I come back down again in a couple of days' time. So get everything prepared over the next few days, weeks, for autumn and winter, as I said earlier. So thanks for watching. Okay, so these are the peppers that I was talking to you about in my greenhouse. The red ones, yellow, and some more red ones. They've actually all turned from green to those colours.